What do you want with
Pork chow fan.
pork choppon?
This one.
No, for me,
Without toppings or without drinks?
without drinks, only rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
More.
Oh, evening po. Welcome to Chowking Drive-Thru. May take your orders, please.
Isang chow fan. Dalawang order ng chow fan.
Chow
Rice.
fan po.
Chow fan rice lang.
Sorry po.
Dalawang a la carte ng rice chow fan.
Side chow, may chow fan po.
Wala silang toppings.
Wala pong toppings, ma'am. Wala
Ah.
pong toppings and drinks po.
Wala rin drinks. Rice
Okay
lang
po.
siya. Dalawang
Ano pa
order.
po?
Yun lang.
Okay po, proceed na lang po sila sa last window. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Last window, yes?
Yes, last window.
How much?
How much is it?
But we not say?
No?
We not say how much?
No?
No, okay, come.
Hey guys, good evening. We already buy some food from Chowking. Let's go to 7-Eleven to buy some trees and go to sit in CBC. Let's go.
Midnight now. It's midnight already.
Midnight already, guys. So we've been already here in 7-Eleven to buy some drinks. Let's go. Hello.
No, not let me. So many. You bought not only water?
Big paper. I bought some
Water.
water and
No, it's for you.
chocolate.
Okay.
It's good. It's delicious. I like this one. Better I eat this one.
Okay.
So many restaurants here. Korean barbecue. Sun. And then it's new. For the parade. Have two restaurants here. This is Tom Tom's Coffee. Yes. Every night here. So many people here to take some coffee, to drink some coffee here. So you're already in CDC. Gonna sit here near 4D. Theater of Clark. Okay. Hi guys, this is our midnight snack, so let's eat. I prepare some, what is this, we buy some chow fan rice meal in the Chowking, and then we bought also some
Water.
water and chocolate. Let's go eat.